light. Yeah, it's too much light.
Right. Both aren't. We're talking about
Like this, like just fold it in.
Wait, is it the same?
Let me see. Let me kind of bring mine a little bit. Yeah, same.
Do you wear I don't know, between large
gloves
and extra large? Yeah.
Well, they don't sell them large, extra large sometimes.
Because I don't know.
Yeah, we got the same genetics, bro.
Wow, that's insane. Nobody now we find somebody has genetics like
Just
you
like
now.
grandpa, he got the same hands
Like my grandpa. Yep, exactly. Because he never used it before.
That works out. Oh, you know that works out.
Yeah, the interior show him. So you know what that works on, right, Dad?
Yeah, the interior and stuff.
Yeah, that wrist flexors. That builds the wrist flexors and kickbacks. It works both. It's like a shortcut.
So does it slide down?
I do.
And then go up?
And then the opposite way. And that'll work out backwards.
Exterior?
But for some reason, I don't know, I think it's everybody, it's like weaker. If you were to go this way.
Right.
Right.
See, it's already burning me right now. The other one wasn't.
So how many used to do with those when you were younger?
Probably like
10 times?
maybe 10
10
times.
times?
Maybe, but not that much weight.
Less than that?
But still, it's...
It was like maybe 10 pounds for this one, and then 5 pounds for the other way. Just 'cause it's just a lot more. It's a lot weaker.
How much is that weight?
So
15
you
pounds?
wanted your forearm big then, before?
Well, I'll try to work everything out easier. Try to.
Like balance him out, and that's
You do
good.
the calves ever?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tippy toes or what you do?
Tippy toe or the calf raises.
What's that? Calf raises.
It's like tippy toe. It's doing tippy toes, the same thing. But weights, with weights on it. All right?
That's about it for calves. Yeah.
The chest
Very
looks big.
good.
Let's just do
No, his turn. Let's see how this
It's gonna
feels.
hurt, bro. I'm already sore from arm wrestling and farmers.
Oh yeah, he did wrist curl 35 pounds on dumbbells.
I'm gonna go for it.
He was arm wrestling against a farmer guy. What? You did it fast? Can you do that fast?
Okay, then you said the other way?
You could do it faster? Do you lift your shoulder high or lower? You put your shoulders like
I
higher?
said the weight's not on the floor.
Did you have a better pull than this?
Nah, I think
Oh, this one does, bro.
that was nicer because it's a wider grip. The one I had sucked.
So wider grip better?
Yeah.
I could probably even use a PVC pipe.
Yeah, but better grip. I'd say no more than
Maybe
like
X.
maybe a little bigger than that. You straight.
2-inch pipe. All right, man.